Hello guys, welcome back. Now we have learned how to plot the scatter plot and different type of plotting we have already done with the help of Seaborn graph. Now we are going to understand the subplots with the help of Seaborn plotting. Actually, you guys have might seen the subplots regarding the matplotlib, but if you want to plot the Seaborn graph also with the subplots, so we need to see what kind of measures we have to take. So first of all, let's import any data. As we have already imported this iris dataset, so we'll perform the plotting on this iris dataset. So first of all, let me load this data quickly. So the data is loaded right now. Now what we have to do here, I just need to give a I just need to import the matplotlib as a PLT. So I have already imported that matplotlib pyplot as PLT. After that, I just want to show you what are the subplots actually. So generally, we have the plotting like this figure you are seeing. This is a single bar graph or single scatter plot you are seeing here. This is the single plot. Now, if you want to print multiple graphs in single page, suppose I want four different graphs in this single page. One, two, three, one, two, three, four. Four different parts but in the same page. So what we have to do for that, we use the subplot concept to do those kind of things. Okay, now let's see what actually I'm trying to do. First, you say this is a normal graph that we were already trying to make, but now if I call plt dot subplots, and now it require at least two parameter, that is rows and columns. So first, if you I pass two number of rows, I'm mentioning number of rows I want to. After that, I am mentioning number of column I want to. So what will happen, it will create two rows and two column. Yeah, just see, now we are seeing four different empty graph. This is two rows, one, two. This is two column, one, two. Now this is generally we can you can call it as a matrix of 2 by 2. That means if I pass 2 by 2 comma 2, then you will receive four different empty graphs. And if I pass 3 by 3, that means I will receive nine total empty graph. Nine total empty graphs. Just see, I'm receiving nine total empty graph. Now, if I pass 3 comma 2, how many graphs I will give? I will be having six different graphs, two to three. Three rows, one, two, three rows, two columns. Okay. Hope you have seen this subplots before in the matplotlib library also, but we are here trying to make our own Seaborn plotting on the subplots. So first of all, what we need to do? We have seen that how we create a subplots. We are going to use it. Now we are just going to use 2 by 2. That means how many graphs we will plot? We will plot two graphs. Okay. Two, like four graphs, four empty graphs you will receive at the end. Now, before that, I have to pass fig that will consider all the figure of the page and of the AX as a variable. You can pass any name is convention. You can pass AX, ES, whatever the name you can pass. It's no issues into that. Now, after that, I've just written plt dot subplots 2 by 2. After that, we can also mention the fig size also. Fig size like that. Fig, put it like this. Fig size is equal to 10 by 10. Let's see what is printing. Now see the graph has been changed into 10 by 10 ratio. So you can actually control the way that you wanted. Now we have four different subplots. One, two, three, four. This will be called it as a 0 comma 0. I already like I hoping that you already know about this. Why? Because this is just a simple matrix. This we call it as a 0 comma 0, that is 0th row 0th index, 0th row first column, 0th first column, 0th row first column, first row. Okay, so that kind of naming convention that we have right now. After doing this, what we can do, we can just simply plot our graph. It's so easy. You just need to pass sns dot line plot, and inside that I'm passing x is equal to my column name. Let's see what is my column name right now. My column name is sepal length and petal length. We are going to take sepal length and petal length. That's it. So I will pass sepal underscore length, length, and y is equal to, I will pass petal length, and after that I will pass data is equal to data or def. We have the variable, we have iris as a variable, so we'll pass iris there, iris data. Okay, now here we have to mention on which plot you want to actually plot it. Is it this, is it this, is it this or that? Okay, so this is 0 comma 0, this is 0 comma 1, 1 comma 0, 1 comma 1. So we'll mention ax equal to, ax is equal to ax 0 comma 1. Now see, ax is equal to 0 comma 1. What does it means? That means it will make the graph on the zeroth row and the first column. So you're getting the graph here. Now I'm making different another graph. I'm making another graph. I'll copy it here from here. I'll paste it here. After that, what I will try to do it, I'm going to make a bar plot out of it. So for that, I will just write sns dot bar plot, and here I will pass sepal length, petal length. If you guys have remember this, if, how we have made the bar plot in the Seaborn, so be ready what kind of graph you might get from here. Just be ready for that. So 0 comma 0 I'm making it. Why it's taking so much time? I hope you are understanding it. Yeah, I already told you. As we have seen that, like in the bar plot, whatever the x value you are passing, it will first categorize with those values, and after that, whatever the y value you will have, it will take the mean of it or average value of it. Okay, that's why you are getting that kind of weird bar plot here. But we just wanted to make a subplots so that we can understand what kind of thing we can actually do. Now, same thing, we'll copy this and paste it here. Now we wanted to make a scatter plot, and scatter plot we are going to make on the 1 comma 0th axis, 1 comma 0th axis. It is taking time because all the third three graphs are going to be made. All the three graphs is going to be made. So this is bar plot, this is line plot, this is scatter plot. Now at the end, let's make another that we can have as a box plot also. So we'll just copy this, and this will pass it as a 1 comma 1. Now all the four graphs, all the four different graphs, that is line plot, that is bar plot, scatter plot, box plot, are printed in the same page, and you can just represent this graph to your manager and to show the trends of your things. Okay, this is the bar plot, and you can see it is pretty much similar. Like your bar plot as a box plot is similar, because what is the box plot of Seaborn is doing, whatever the value you're giving it, it is just aggregating it, and whatever the y value you are getting as respective is taking the mean value, then you are it's printing the box plot or bar plot out of it. Okay, so okay, sorry, this is the bar plot. We printed it two times. So box plot you will see similar kind of thing. Let me just Put a box plot here, but you will have a tail and all that things also, like tail and head into this. Yeah, see the bar plot we have here. We have min max. See, whatever I told you right now, whatever the value it will be on the x-axis, it will take first that. After that, whatever the respective y value it will have, it will just going to plot for individual x value. So that is the thing it is going on in your bar box plot. It is scatter plots, it's line plot, it's bar plot. Okay, I hope you have understand about this subplots concept. What kind of other things we can actually do it? What kind of other things we can actually do? See, if you want to change the label of it, what you will do? Suppose I want to change the label of the zeroth comma one through zeroth comma one graph. That is this line plot. If I want to change the labels of it, so what I can do, I will just write ax of 0 comma 1. After that, put a dot set underscore set underscore. There is a function like x label and y label. You can actually mention x label, and here you can mention am sepal length. Okay, similarly you can mention the y label also for the same. It's taking to little bit time, but we have to wait because all four of it's plotting, trying to plot. Just see, it now has been changed to sepal and sepal, and whatever the label you guys will give. Okay, so this is all about your subplots.